English speaking course.
Episode 1: A Clean Sweep. When you live in a house with 3 other people, there's excitement, there's conversation, and there's housework. Morning. 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 Did you sleep well? Okay. Where's the milk? There isn't any milk.
It's on the table.
What's it doing on the table?
We're using it.
Sorry, would you like me to put it away? No, leave it. There's no bread left. Why did somebody finish it?
Oh, hi.
There's some in the bread bin. There isn't very much, and that's mine.
What?
You know, H for Helen, not M for Matt. And there aren't any clean ones. I don't believe it. How many cups are in this sink? Does anyone do the washing up in this house? I do.
Me too. You never do the washing up. You always leave it to someone else. At least I do some cooking. Well, I clear up the kitchen. How often? I did it last month.
Right, that does it. Okay, everybody. As from today, we're going to keep this place clean and tidy. What's the sheet of paper for?
I can guess.
It's a rotor for all the jobs around the house. So, this week, Jane, you're cleaning the kitchen and cooking on the weekend. David is doing the washing up, and on Friday, he's doing the shopping. Matt, cleaning the bathroom and cooking Monday to Wednesday. And I'm cleaning the living room and cooking on Thursday and Friday. Has everybody got that?
Yes.
Yep. Good. Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing?
Why have you got that shopping?
Let's see, because it's my day for shopping?
But I did the shopping today. You're cooking tonight.
No, it's Friday. You're cooking tonight.
But that was last Friday. You did the shopping and I cooked, remember?
Let's go in and look at the rotor. It's my day for the living room. No, it isn't. You're in the bathroom today. I cleaned the bathroom yesterday. Yeah, you didn't. You were watching television when I came home. I did it after you went to bed. Let go of it. No, you let go of it.
What's going on?
I came in to do the living room and he was cleaning the carpet. It's my turn. No, it isn't. Yes, it is.
Boys!
Why are you both carrying shopping?
Jane got the wrong day. I didn't get the wrong day, you did.
And you did. No, I didn't. I looked on the rota. Tuesday was the bathroom.
Hang on a minute, that's not right. I'm doing the bathroom tomorrow.
Look, I'm being the bathroom. You're doing the kitchen floor. No, 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 no. That's me, I'm positive. Oh, yeah? Yeah. And who's gonna clear that up?
Matt! Okay, so the rota wasn't a great success. The house is looking good at the moment. Episode 2, A Perfect Day. That Saturday, I was coming home from the gym, and I stopped to admire the view. Hi.
Oh, hi.
The weather's better today.
It's certainly better than yesterday.
Yes, it is.
What are you doing tomorrow?
Oh, nothing special. Just another boring Sunday.
Would you like to go somewhere?
What do you mean?
Yes, with me.
Oh, yes, I'd love to. Where?
How about on the river? We can go punting.
That would be good.
Great, I'll call for you at about 9:30.
No, I'll call for you.
Okay, I'll see you then.
See you. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi. You're up early.
I couldn't sleep.
You're getting out.
Yes, I'm going to meet a friend in town. We're going to have lunch. What are you going to do today?
Nothing much.
Well, I'll see you later.
Sure.
Bye. You ready?
Ready.
Is Helen still in bed?
No, she went into town about an hour ago. Are you just gonna lie there all day?
Yes.
We could do something. Go somewhere. We could go for a picnic. What do you think, Matt?
I suppose we could.
We're going to have a picnic.
That's not a bad idea.
I'll make some sandwiches.
I'll give you a hand.
I can take my video camera. Oh, have we got anything to drink, Matt?
I'll go and get something.
Come on. We can go through this gate, then along the path, between the wood and the farm. That's the quickest way.
It's quicker on the road by car.
Don't be so pathetic. Come on. It'll only take 10 minutes. This is perfect. It's so much nicer than the city. It's beautiful.
Yes, it really is.
It's this way. That's Jane.
Come on, David.
It's all three of them. Quick.
What's the problem?
They don't know about this.
What?
They think I went out for lunch. Let's go back, please, Simon.
Okay. How long did she say it was? 10 minutes. It's the longest 10 minutes in the history.
It's just through here. Simon, we're going the wrong way.
Oh no. This was a great idea.
Thanks.
It's a shame Helen isn't here. Look at that.
What? This is really strange.
It just appeared from nowhere.
Really?
That's funny.
What?
Look at that bag. It looks just like Helen's.
In one of his plays, Shakespeare said something about not telling the truth. I wish I could remember what it was. Episode 3, A Picture of Health. Mornings aren't my favorite time of day, but some learners have definitely worse than others.
Where's Helen? Dunno.
Perhaps we should go and call her?
Don't bother. Are you alright?
Not really. I keep sneezing. I can't stop coughing. My whole body aches.
You've got a cold. Thank you, doctor.
Or flu. Have you got a temperature? Well, you don't feel hot. My temperature keeps going up and down. I feel awful.
Have something to drink.
It hurts when I swallow.
You should drink something. I'll make you a cup of tea. Are you taking anything for it yet? Aspirin, paracetamol?
There aren't any. What about homeopathic medicine?
Homeopathic.
It's better than aspirin. I'll get you something on the way home. I have to go to work now.
Me too.
You're not going anywhere like that.
You must go back to bed. I'll telephone the office for you.
Just keep warm, drink a lot. I'll see you this evening.
You go up now and I'll bring you the tea on my way out. Okay. Here you are.
Oh, thank you.
Take it easy. I'll bring you some fruit later.
Thanks. Hi, Helen. It's only me.
Hello.
Hello. How are you feeling?
A little better. My sore throat's gone.
Have you been in bed since this morning?
I felt too weak to get up.
Have you eaten anything?
No, I haven't.
Have you had anything to drink?
I had a cup of tea at about 1 o'clock.
So you haven't had anything to drink for 5 hours?
Hello?
We're up here! You have to drink a lot when you have flu. And you really should try to eat something.
Sorry. Hi, how are you feeling?
A bit better.
I got you some aspirin.
Oh, thanks. Actually, I've got you this. It's much better.
What is it?
Homeopathic medicine, especially for colds.
What do you mean by it's much better?
It contains only natural ingredients.
I bet it tastes disgusting.
At least it's not full of chemicals.
Aspirins are very effective. It's been around for years.
So is arsenic.
Please, you two. Here you are, vitamin C, the perfect cold cure. I've brought you some soup.
Oh, thanks, Matt, but I'm not really hungry.
But you haven't eaten since last night.
Sorry.
I don't think you should go to work tomorrow.
I don't know, perhaps you're right.
You can stay here and watch tennis. Yeah, Wimbledon.
Who's that?
It's Simon.
Oh no, I look awful. Don't let him come up yet, Matt.
All right. Here's the patient. How are you feeling?
Not too bad, up and down.
I didn't know you weren't well. I've got some tickets to see a salsa band tonight. But never mind. I could still go.
No, you can't. Don't be silly.
Jane's right. You shouldn't go out when you've got the flu. You have to stay in bed.
But what about the ticket?
It doesn't matter about them. It's a pity to waste them. Why don't you go with someone else?
What?
Well, Jane could have your ticket and she could go with Simon.
That's not a bad idea.
Yeah, go on, Jane.
Look, I'm feeling much better. Helen, stay there. You must keep warm. Okay, I'll go and get ready. We can go another time. So, I didn't get to see the salsa band with Simon. Game, set, and match to Jane.